Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the expression 1/3 x minus 2. We're told it can be rewritten as 1/3 times x minus k times x plus k. And we're asked, given this, what is the value of k? So the easiest way to do this is to distribute out these two binomials. So we have 1/3 times this distributed out, which is going to be x times x is x squared, plus x times k is plus kx, minus x times k is minus kx, and then minus k times positive k is minus, because there's only one minus, k squared. And this is equal to 1/3 times x squared plus kx minus kx, so these cancel out, minus k squared. Distributing this 1/3, we have 1/3 times x squared is 1/3 x squared, minus 1/3 times k squared is 1/3 k squared. So we know that 1/3 x squared minus 2 is equal to 1/3 x squared minus 1/3 k squared, right? Because this is equal to this expression, and that expression is equal to this expression. So therefore, these two are equal to each other. And we have an equation now where we can solve for k. Because if we subtract 1/3 x squared from both sides, these cancel and these cancel. So we get -2 is equal to -1/3 k squared. That's all that's left. So just rewriting this up here, after we let's multiply it by -1 and then rewrite it up here. So -1 times -2 is positive 2 is equal to -1 times -1/3 is positive 1/3 k squared. Multiply both sides by 3. 3 times 2 is 6, is equal to, the 3's disappear, the 1 we can ignore because 1 times k squared is just k squared. We want to solve for k, so take the square root of both sides. We have the square root of 6 is equal to, and then the square root of k squared is just k. So what is the value of k? K is equal to the square root of 6, which means D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.